Yes, sir, man. I know what the fuck time it is. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got a little box in. About to do a little unboxing. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. That's what's going on, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, big thing popping, man. Yeah. Dang, buddy. Put this shit on goddamn stupid type. Yeah, I see that Note 20 Ultra 5G. Ooh. Ooh, that one really
Okay. Whoa.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Holla, bro. That thing nice, bro. How much that cost a month?
What are you, nuts? What a payment plan, man. Like you crazy as fuck, man. Yeah, man.
Yikes.
I don't know what's going on, man. We cash out on these boys. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Look at them pen work. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Look at them penmanship.
Boom, boom.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Fuck the boy, man. Follow me, man. Everywhere, bit.
Yeah.
Come out of here.